What if your smartphone could transform your photography into an art form? Introducing the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled creativity. For the display and design, experience brilliance with a 6.73-inch WQHD AMOLED display, delivering over 3,200 nits peak brightness. Whether under the midday sun or in dim settings, your content remains vivid and clear. With an adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz, enjoy fluid responsiveness tailored to your activity. Smooth when you need it, energy efficient when you don't. For the performance and specs, powered by a 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite chip ready to obliterate lag, 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB storage. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra handles intensive tasks effortlessly, from gaming marathons to 4K video editing. Now, let's talk about what everyone's staring at: the camera. Or should we say cameras? Co-engineered with Leica, a 50MP main sensor, 200MP ultra telephoto lens, 50MP floating telephoto lens, 50MP ultra-wide sensor, 120x zoom. Night becomes day. Far becomes close. Reality becomes art. While the 32MP front camera is perfect for crisp selfies and 4K vlogs at 60 fps. For photography kit features, for those who seek the ultimate photography experience, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra Photography Kit offers DSLR-like controls and ergonomics, turning your smartphone into a professional-grade camera. The kit features a detachable shutter button with half-press focus and full-press capture, a customizable dial for adjusting EVE, shutter speed, ISO, and white balance, and a zoom lever for precise focal length control. Enhance your creative possibilities with the 67mm filter adapter ring, allowing you to attach an depolarizer and other camera filters for diverse shooting effects. The ergonomic grip not only provides comfortable handling, but also houses a 2000 mAh battery, extending your shooting sessions without interruption. For battery and charging, stay powered with a 5410 mAh battery, supporting 9OW wired, and 80 West wireless fast charging, less waiting, more creating. For connectivity and extras, stay connected even off the grid with industry-first satellite data communication, ensuring you're reachable wherever your adventures take you. With an IP68 rating, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is built to withstand water and dust, ready to accompany you through all conditions. Your security is paramount, with features like the ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor and AI Face Unlock, ensuring your data remains protected. Unleash your creativity and redefine mobile photography with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and its photography kit, where innovation meets imagination. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more.